Hey, 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 it's 1954 Chevy 210. Let's check her out. Look at that engine. Every single engine, if you've ever noticed, different. Every single feature, different. They build them, that's for sure. Build them to last. So much that just takes a little care, dedication, respect, and they're up and running just as good as the day they were off the factory line. Check the way you get that tire. Now, wouldn't that be a neat way to have a tire? An actual tire that you can just go back to the trunk and pull out of the side. You don't have to worry about these little donuts that's screwed on underneath in a hidden spot that you can't find. Anybody been there? Put it down in the comment section down below, especially if you went through all the trouble to find it and nobody put a donut in there. I want my donut. Enjoy and constantly always respect, and guess what? Respect.